Okay, boo-boo, so I'm going to walk you through my sort of wash day using Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost Shampoo Conditioner and their curling pudding. So this is actually my first time using these products. I have never used them all together like this, so your guess is going to be as good as mine on how this all turns out. But I will tell you, this shampoo right here, ladies, listen. My curls were popping, not for shampoo. My curls were popping, they were defined, felt moisturized, and did not feel the least bit stripped of any sort of moisture. So I'm really here for how these products treated my curls. And for the conditioner, I found it to be super moisturizing, and it gave me a lot of slip. As you can see, I'm using my fingers to detangle. This is how we detangle natural hair, ladies. Wet with conditioner in it. And I'm sliding right through it without using a comb, without using a brush, anything. So I'm here for it. Next, as you can see now, my hair is rinsed and somewhat detangled. I used a little bit of a Denman brush here in the front, so we don't have definition anymore because I have brushed it all out. However, this is my process for drying my hair. I do like to have and do my twist out rather on hair that is about 90% dry. I find my twist outs to last longer. I find that I get more definition. I find that I get more elongation. I find that just all the positives with twisting your hair on semi-dry hair, I'm here for it. So I just put my hair in like 4 chunky twists, bantu knots, whatever, and I let it air dry. So here it is air dried. So we're pulling out the chunky twists. And we're going to do a little shot of moisture. What I do to add a quick moisture boost and to further stretch the hair is I use my Q Redo hair steamer. So this hair steamer is a burst of moisture. I use it in between washes when I want to do a new twist out, but I'm not washing my hair. I use it when my hair just needs an extra boost. Listen, I'm always here for the Q Redo. So here we have the Pantene Gold Series curling pudding. I'm using that to do my twist out. What I have found with this product is less is more. So you definitely don't want to oversaturate the hair. It has tons and tons and tons of hold, but I do think it needs to be paired with an oil of some sort. Whatever you like your oil to be, use that oil in conjunction with this product. You may want to use the oil at the end. I know a lot of people advocate for the LOC method, but I'm feeling like the LCO method is where we're at this point. So I didn't use an oil here, but in future, when I use this product in the future, I will be sealing my hair with an oil at the very end. And I will probably use Jamaican black castor oil to do that. So as you can see here, I'm just twisting the hair, 2-strand twist. It's not a flat twist because I'm just not great at flat twisting and it takes me a lot longer. And your girl is a resident lazy natural. So I'm going to just go ahead and twist the hair, not being, using my fingers to separate all of that. And what I didn't show here is I use bobby pins to lay the hair flat. And then I put on a scarf after that. And essentially that's how I go to sleep. So this is what the hair looks like after I'm done. Bobby pins to lay the hair flat. Obviously I did not twist the back fully because I'm lazy and the hair is short. But here we are, day 2, hair is dry and set, looking good so far before I've even taken it out. It has nice sheen to it. I'm here for it. My thoughts on the curling pudding is that it just gives too much hold. Not too much hold, a lot of hold. So I used too much product. So it was a little bit stiffer than I would like, but that also means that my hair is going to be super duper curly and it'll last a really long time. Great for humid climates, great for hold. So I'm here for it in respect to hold. But again, the next time I use it, I will use a less product and also an oil at the end to soften it up so I don't have it quite as crunchy and sort of stiff as it is now. But it still looks really good, and I'm just using some water to curl up the sides and the back that I did not twist, and essentially this is it. Have it. Thank you so much for watching, ladies. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for your daily beauty and fashion info, my blog lisaalamo.com, and here of course I'll want you to subscribe for more videos. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.